Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your science teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your science class. My dear students, as you know that we are on chapter number 4 and the name of our chapter is environmental pollution. And today we are going to discuss about, this is lecture number 6, and today we are going to discuss about biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials. So my dear students, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. So in the previous lecture, we discussed about the greenhouse effect. So quickly tell me that what is greenhouse effect? Very good. Now tell me what are gases of greenhouse effect? Excellent. Now what are causes of greenhouse effect and burning of fossil fuel? Very good. Okay, my dear students, now let's quickly move forward towards an activity. Here, look at the pictures. And tell me that what are biodegradable materials? ये हम कुछ इस बारे में पहले से पढ़ चुके हैं. ऐसे मटेरियल्स हमने एक प्रैक्टिकल भी किया था प्रीवियस क्लासेस में कि ऐसे मटेरियल्स जो कि डिकम्पोज हो जाते हैं दे आर बायोडिग्रेडेबल. And then comes what are non-biodegradable materials. So such materials which do not decompose are called non-biodegradable materials. Okay. So my dear students, now let's quickly look at today's student learning outcomes. So in today's lecture, students will be able to differentiate between biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials. So let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. So according to a hadith, the world is a sweet and green, and verily Allah is going to install you as vicegerents in it in order to see how you act. Pre-reading questions. So what are the difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials? As we did in the activity, आपने कुछ pictures को देखा और आपने बताया कि सेब के छिलके, केले के छिलके, ये जो है ये तमाम खुद ब खुद decompose हो जाते हैं with the help of decomposers. And materials like plastic bottles, shopping bags, they do not decompose. So the things which do not decompose are non-biodegradable, and the things that decompose are biodegradable. So now let's start the reading. Put your fingers where I will read. I request you all to please open page number 58 in your Science 5 books. I hope everybody has opened the page. Now let's start the reading. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials. We produce a lot of waste at our homes and industries daily. These wastes contain uncooked vegetables, peels of fruit, bread, different foods. So my dear students, हम अपने घर में डेली बेसिस पे बहुत सारा वेस्ट जो है वो प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. सेब के छिलके, केले के छिलके, सब्जियों के छिलके, इसके अलावा अनकुक्ड फूड, पील्स, ये तमाम चीजें जो है ये हम कूड़े में फेंकते हैं. And they are the waste. So quickly think and tell me, why is it recommended to use cloth or paper bags instead of plastic bags? Because plastic bags are non-biodegradable. Plastic bags, metallic cans, paper, old shoes, old clothes, plastic wrappers and other materials of plastic, glass, metal, etc. इसके अलावा हम plastic bags, metallic cans, papers, old shoes, clothes, plastic wrappers और different चीज़ें या plastic की बनी हुई या metal की या glass की बनी हुई भी हम waste करते हैं. Some of these waste like peels of vegetables, fruits, bread, etc. are easily broken down by decomposers. इस वेस्ट में से कुछ वेस्ट जो है जैसे कि पील्स ऑफ वेजिटेबल, छिलके जो हैं, ब्रेड, फ्रूट्स और अनकुक्ड फूड, ये तमाम जो है ये आराम से ब्रेक डाउन हो जाते हैं. डिकम्पोजर्स जो है इनको डिकम्पोज कर लेते हैं, यानी कि छोटे छोटे फ्रेगमेंट्स में चेंज कर देते हैं. और डिकम्पोजर्स कौन है? दे आर द बैक्टीरिया एंड द फंजाई. एंड दीज आर कॉल्ड बायोडिग्रेडेबल मटीरियल्स. So ऐसी चीजें जो कि decompose हो सकती हैं, they are called biodegradable. While other materials like plastic bags, metallic cans and other plastic products cannot be broken down by the decomposers and are called non-biodegradable materials. So ऐसे material जैसे कि glass, metal, plastic bags, cans, ये तमाम जो हैं ये डिकम्पोजर्स इनको डिकम्पोज नहीं कर सकते, यानी कि ब्रेक डाउन नहीं कर सकते, छोटे टुकड़ों में तकसीम नहीं कर सकते, ये एज होल ही रहते हैं. सो इस वजह से इस तरह के मटेरियल्स को नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल मटेरियल कहते हैं. सो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बायोडिग्रेडेबल एंड नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल मटेरियल. So materials, biodegradable material on one side, non-biodegradable material on the other side. Materials that microorganisms can decompose are biodegradable materials, whereas materials that microorganisms cannot decompose are called non-biodegradable materials. The process of degradation is speedy, यानी कि इनकी जो डिग्रेड होने का या इनका डिकम्पोज होने का प्रोसेस है वो तेज होता है. द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिग्रेडेशन इज क्वाइट स्लो. ये अगर डिकम्पोज होंगे भी तो इनका डिग्रेड होने का या डिकम्पोज होने का जो प्रोसेस है वो बहुत कम होता है, स्लो होता है. बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट कैन बी यूटिलाइज्ड इन द इकोसिस्टम एज अ सोर्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स. जो मटेरियल बायोडिग्रेड हो जाता है या डिकम्पोज होता है वो हमारे इकोसिस्टम के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है, बिकॉज दे form nutrients, they turn into nutrients which are good for the plants. Non-biodegradable waste can never be utilized in the ecosystem and are very harmful to life and cause pollution. Biodegradable waste can be utilized as fertilizers. Biodegradable material जो है इसको fertilizer के तौर पे इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है, whereas non-biodegradable waste cannot be recycled using very costly process. बायोडिग्रेडेबल मटेरियल कैन बी रिसाइकल, यानी कि इसको रिसाइकल किया जा सकता है. सो हियर यू कैन सी ट्रेन टिकट्स, it takes 2 weeks to degrade. Orange peel, it takes 6 months. Milk carton, it will take 5 years. Tin can, it will take 50 years. Then batteries, it will take 100 years to degrade. Plastic bottle, it will take 450 years. So इनमें से कौन सी चीज जो है वो biodegradable है? That is train ticket because it is made up of paper, and orange peel of the fruit. माल्टे का जो छिलका है ये 2 हफ्ते से 6 महीने में जो है डिग्रेड हो जाएगा. ये तमाम जो है these are biodegradable materials. If we recycle all newspapers, we can save up to 250 million trees every year worldwide. So my dear students, according to a research, अगर आप न्यूज़पेपर को, तमाम न्यूज़पेपर जो है उसको रिसाइकल कर लें तो हम 250 मिलियन ट्रीज जो है उनको बचा सकते हैं हर साल, क्योंकि पेपर जो है ये दरख्तों से बनता है. So my dear students, biodegradable materials are here. Then comes non-biodegradable material, which takes very long time to degrade. Now is the time for evaluation. Quickly listen to the question, pause the video and answer each question. What are biodegradable materials? Name some. Very good. Now what are non-biodegradable materials? Give examples. Very good. Now what is the difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable material? Very good. Okay, my dear students, now let's quickly move forward towards the practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. Write down your name and your class and then answer the question, what are biodegradable materials? What are non-biodegradable materials? Write 2 differences between biodegradable and non-biodegradable material. Identify and write the object name in the table if it is biodegradable or non-biodegradable. So the things which are biodegradable, write down their name in biodegradable column. For example, fruit peels, fruit and vegetable peel. Okay, so this is how you will write down. This will come under plastic, well, non-biodegradable. Can is also non-biodegradable. Wood is biodegradable. Cloth is also biodegradable, or paper. Paper is biodegradable. Glass bottles are non-biodegradable. So this is how you will complete it. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for homework. For homework, you will do question number 8 from section B, given on page number 63. So how can you differentiate between biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances? Very easy. Or now is the time for wrap up. So quickly listen to the key points from today's lecture. Material that can be decomposed by microorganisms is biodegradable. It is speedy process and these wastes can be used as sources of nutrients and as fertilizers. Material that microorganisms cannot decompose are biodegradable material. It is slow process, harmful for life and recycling is very costly. So my dear students, now you know about what are biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.